everyone, and welcome back. I'm Professor Seth C. Oranburg, and today we're wrapping up our module on agency law by tying everything together. Let's take a moment to review the key topics we've covered so far. We started with the foundational definition of agency and three essential elements: consent, control, and acting on behalf of the principal. These three elements establish the fiduciary relationship at the heart of agency law, and agency law governs much of the business world. From there, we examine the different types of authority an agent can have: actual authority and apparent authority. We talked about how actual authority arises from the principal's manifestations to the agent, while apparent authority focuses on third parties' reasonable belief based on the principal's conduct. Understanding these distinctions is critical to determining when a principal is bound by an agent's actions. Next, we explore the fiduciary duties of agents, including the duty of loyalty, the duty of care, and the duty to obey lawful instructions, or the duty of obedience. These duties ensure that agents act in the best interests of their principals and within the scope of their authority. We also looked at the termination of authority and how that impacts the relationship between the principal, the agent, and third parties. Importantly, we discussed the need to notify third parties to avoid lingering apparent authority. Then we explored the doctrine of estoppel and ratification. These doctrines highlight how a principal can become bound by an agent's actions even without direct authority. Estoppel protects third parties who reasonably rely on a principal's conduct, while ratification occurs when a principal knowingly accepts the benefits of an agent's authorized actions. Both doctrines emphasize the importance of clarity and accountability in principal-agent relationships. Thanks for listening to this series on agency law. Next, we're going to talk about the economic analysis of agency law. So join me in that next season for a story that takes us to the world of Dr. Seuss in order to understand concepts of agency law as viewed through the lens of economic analysis. Until then, be well. I'll see you next time.